Welcome to this tutorial on how to post to EduBlogs from the iPad app. If you swipe down and type in edu for EduBlogs, you can see this is what my blog or digital portfolio actually looks like. So when I am ready to make my first post, or make a post of any type I should say, in the upper left hand corner you will see three white horizontal lines. I'll select those three lines, and this is kind of where you can navigate through different features of the digital portfolios. You can go to post, you can go to pages, comments, you can view your site, or view admin. If you select view admin, this will take you back to the dashboard, kind of your command center where you can control everything on your blog. So if you go back up to the three lines though, we'll focus today on how to make a post from the iPad app. So I'll select posts. You can see that I have three drafts up at the top. If I swipe over, this is where I can delete. Or I could even go back in, select the project, and then I could update it up at the top in the upper right hand corner and actually publish this post. So now you can see once it recognizes that changes have been made, I could press update and I would be able to publish this post. But today I want to show you how to add a new post. In the upper right hand corner you'll see the plus button. Select plus. First thing I need to do is add a title. And then when I'm ready to actually add something to the body paragraph, I'll just select right in the center of underneath the title. I'll just touch my finger right there. Okay, posting in the iPad app for EduBlogs is a lot easier than on the computer. That being said, there's not as many options, but it's a very straightforward process. All you have to do is, if you wanted to have a hyperlink, the blue link button, put my finger on it now, it just became activated. If you select that, this is where you can make a hyperlink. So the text to be linked is the words that will become linked, and then the link URL below is where you would actually add in the link. And then press insert, and that would be your hyperlink. So I could right click here for Google, and then I could just do google.com. And if I hide that, the eyeball in the lower left-hand corner of this page will give me a preview. Oh, I had a typo. It says click her, but I'll fix that. This will give you a preview of what your blog post would actually look like. In an earlier tutorial, I showed you how to do an embed code if you were using EduBlogs on a computer. The really nice thing about the iPad app is if you have an embed code, you don't have to post it in a special tab. You can actually just post it right in the body paragraph itself. So if I go to YouTube, which a lot of our projects end up in, from Chatterpix to iMovies to Explain Everythings, we publish those to YouTube. Select my person, my videos, where the three dots, I'll select one of the videos, share, and then copy link. It says success at the bottom. If I double click to toggle back to EduBlogs, all I have to do is I just simply paste that link in, and the EduBlogs app and YouTube will actually embed it for me. I don't have to do anything else. I just take the embed code from YouTube and I paste it right there, and then I would be able to press publish in the upper right hand corner, and it would be there. The last thing I want to show you, in the lower right hand corner you will see a kind of a landscape picture. You select that, this is where you can add media. So you can add photo from library, you could take a photo, add video from library, record video. So I always take my pictures and video just from the camera roll and then I upload it that way. So let's see, I'll add a photo from the library. And you can see right now it doesn't look anything fancy. It actually has a bunch of code, but if I press the preview button, the eyeball in the lower left-hand corner, you will see it. All right? You don't see the embed code show up right now. It just looks like a link, but when you actually press publish, you will actually see it embed on the blog itself, meaning the video will show up right there to be able to play on the blog. I hope you learned something. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at gcodney@fairview.k12.oh.us. Thanks, and enjoy using EduBlogs.